Hello, so I'm going to go ahead and do the Personal Finance Chapter 7 quiz review. Okay, so true or false for these questions. So tax tables are not listed in intervals, which of course we all know is false. Okay, so that one is false. And this one is true. Okay, so everybody now, at least for right now, they've changed it so everybody does a 1040 form. Okay. So in this one, it says, so this one would be true. So he has 4 children, 2 parents, and a living great uncle. Okay, so that would be 4 plus 2 plus 1. That would be 7. Okay, so he can take 7 exemptions because he has 7 people that he is taking. So there's 7 people. Okay, so that one is true. Okay, so I'm just going to write T for true. Filing status is for unmarried taxpayers who have dependents. That is also true. Okay, so just right here that number 3 is true. Okay, Schedule A can be filed with any tax form. So that one, again, like I said, they only have the 1090 form. So 1040 form. So 1040. So this one would be, okay. But that is something that you would use. You would use a Schedule A for property taxes and charitable contributions that you paid, like to your church. Okay, W-2, we've talked about that. So that is actually false because this one is from your job. Okay, so this one's false. This is from your job, from your earnings, your earned income. Progressive tax system, taxes decrease. That one is false. Okay, so in progressive, they increase as income increases. Okay, an exemption is an allowable amount that reduces a person's income. Okay, so an example are taxpayers and his dependents, which is true. Okay, income tax is paid on earned income, such as wages and tips. Income tax is not paid on unearned income. Okay, so everybody, that part right there is false. Okay, you pay taxes on all income, even if it's unearned. Okay, so unearned, remember, is one's interest, dividends, rental income, capital gains, and like prize winnings. Okay, this one. So we look at this one. It says Ryan's single. He makes $60,897. So we look down here. It's going to be right here. He's single. Okay, so it's going to be this one right here. Remember to look in the correct column. Okay, so it would be 11,563. Okay, the next one says that you are, hold on, let me switch the page. Lots of tables. Okay, so this one we're going to use the table. So it says you're filing, so you're going to be right here, 57,000. Okay, so we're going to use this. So the $4,481.25 plus 25% is a decimal. Remember, drop the percent sign. And we're going to put in the 57,000. Remember, that's our X. So we substitute it in. Okay, so we're going to put that in the calculator. Remember, the income is the X. So we're substituting that in. So we substitute it in, and you're going to put that in the calculator, and you should get $10,593.75. Okay, so make sure everybody that you're putting that in the calculator. Okay, next one. So this one we're going to look at single mother. Okay, with 2 children. So she qualifies as head of household. Okay, so she's head of household on this one. So notice that right here. Okay. So her income was 36,700. I should say 700. So 36,700. Okay, minus her deduction. of $8,950. Okay, so that's for deductions. Remember, deduct. We're going to subtract it. Okay, this is her income. So deductions, remember, right here. So that means we're going to subtract it. So her now taxable income is $27,750. That's her taxable income. Okay, so if we look on the table, okay, so 750, remember we're going to go here because it says, but at least, okay, so it's going to be 3,594. So it's going to be this one. So she paid, so her taxes is going to be 3,594. Okay, she paid 3,150. Okay, so she's going to owe $444. Okay, so she's going to owe that amount. Okay, also everybody, if you want to set it up like this, we in class we're setting it up like that, and if you subtract it, you do get that it would be negative 440. Remember we said when we saw that that negative was there, then you will know that you owe taxes. Okay, so Rebecca would owe taxes, so she'd owe 440 taxes. Okay, oh, we don't want to owe taxes if we don't have to. But it happens sometimes. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Number 12. Okay, so number 12, Elena is married and filing jointly for income tax, so 6,550. So remember that means we would go to this line right here. Okay, she is married filing jointly. Okay, so it's going to be 8,000. $269. Okay, so next one. Nate is filing single and as a taxable income. How much does he owe in taxes? We're going to use the table below. Hold on, let me see if I can find that table. I quoted it. I have so many. Okay, so how much does he owe in taxes? So we're going to use the same table for 13 and 14. So we look on here for Nate. This would be for Nate. Okay, so we're going to use this one. So we're going to have the $4,481.25 plus, okay, and it says 25%. Okay, and we put the 36,750 minus, and it's going to be minus that amount, the 32,550. So we're going to plug that one into the calculator. Okay, so 1,831, 25 plus 1.5 times parentheses. Remember, put as income in for X. We put all that in. Okay, so how much taxes he owes is going to be $5,531.25. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for number 14. We're using the same table. Notice though that she can reduce her income by $8,735. So we're going to actually do that first. So we're going to subtract the $75,456 by the $8,735. So we subtract those two. Okay, so we get 66,721. Okay, and we look and we can still use the same one. Okay, so we're still going to put it in. So we're going to put the 4,481.25 plus 25%. Okay, and the 66,721 minus 32,500. So we go ahead and put that in the calculator. And we get that, so Maggie would owe $13,024. Everybody understand? Just make sure that you understand. So we're using this one, change the decimal to a percent. X is going to be the income, and we're using this one, okay? Because that's the one that interval that it goes between those two. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Number 16. Okay, so we look at this, and David is single. Okay, he has a tax income of $27,330, so it's going to be this one. So how much does he owe in taxes? It's going to be $3,698. That's how much he owes. That's it on that one. Okay, so on this one, it says simplify your equation. Okay, so you're going to do y equals. So remember this one. We do the distributed property first, and then we're going to combine like terms. We're going to do distributed first. So I'm going to get y is equal to 0.28x plus the 18,481.25 minus, okay, and then you have to do the 0.28 times the 90,750. So just make sure everybody you're doing that. So 0.28 times 90,750. So we get 25,410. Okay, so then we subtract that from the 18,481.25. Okay, so we're combining those like terms, and I get y is equal to 0.28x minus 6,928.75. Okay, so on this one, so that will be the answer for this one. Okay, number 18. So we're going to use the tax schedule. It says Justin and Jenny are married. They made 120,375. So I look at where it's going to be. It's going to be right here. So I'm going to use this one. So it fits in this one. So remember, drop the percent sign. I put in the 120,375 minus 78,850. Okay, so now we get, so how much they would owe in taxes, okay, is going to be for taxes owed for them. So they would owe, just going to round it up there, 27,000 $683.25. Okay, almost done, everybody. Last page. Okay, so number 19. Okay, so it says taxpayers write an equation that represents the taxable income for over 61,300, but not over 23,700. So we're going to use this one. Okay, so based on those, we're going to use this one. So 25% is a decimal. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute it in. So we're going to write y is equal to 8,440 plus 25% x minus 61,300. So now we get 8,440 plus 25% I x. Remember, everybody, we have to do the distributive property. Minus 15,325. We have to combine like terms. So we're going to get y is equal to 0.25x minus 6,885. So that would be our equation. Okay, so number 19. So we have, they have a combined income. Okay, so let's look at this one. So this is their combined income. They have reported interest. Okay, so interest, remember everybody, that means that we have to add that on. So we're going to have to add the 1,500. They have income from rental properties. So everybody also have to add that in. Okay, and then it says they can reduce their income, reduce it by 4,500. So reduce, what is their adjusted gross income? So we add the interest, add their rental property income, and subtract any deductions that they can make. So they got 81,665. Okay, everybody, that would be their adjusted gross income. Okay, Jasmine is verifying her paycheck. Okay, she earns $16 an hour and works 40 hours each week. Okay, what's her gross pay every 2 weeks? So it's going to be 16 times 40 times 2. So that's going to be, because she gets paid every 2 weeks, so 16 times 40 hours every week. So she gets 1,280. Okay, and then Social Security tax, remember it's going to be 0.062 times the 1,280. Okay, so we get $79.36. Medicare, same thing, so 0.0148 times the 1,280. And we get $18.56. For federal tax, she's paying, it tells you how much she's paid. Okay, so we don't even have to calculate it. So it's $82.65. Okay, and we subtract Medicare, Social Security, and federal taxes. And so her gross pay, so her net pay, everybody remembers gross, minus all her taxes. So it's going to be $1,099.43. So that would be her gross pay. Okay, so this one, so we're similar thing. So Philip wants to verify his paycheck. Okay, so this one, it just gives us that he earns $500 a week. He has the following deductions. So remember, so it's going to be 0.062 times 500, 0.0145 times 500. Okay, federal tax, they give us that it's 8.6. So remember, drop the percent sign, go to the left, add the decimal and the zeros, times 500. And state, okay, remember, drop the percent sign to the left, so 0.023 times 500. Okay, so all of this we're deducting from 500. So minus 31, minus $7.25, minus 43, minus $11.50. So his net pay is going to be $407.25. Okay, so on this one, we're going to add together. So look at the W-2 before. So we're going to use the federal taxes withheld. Okay, so remember, federal taxes, state income tax, and local tax. So we're using all of those. Okay, so the $13,830 plus the $4,839 plus and 13 cents plus the 1,110 is going to equal $19,679.38. So that would be the total taxes that Jane paid. So this is looking at the W-2. Okay, and that is it for the review. Thank you.